I did my PhD in psychology, and I guess the motivation was that I really like working with people and I really like understanding what people are doing, delving into their mind in a way. From when I was a teenager, I quite liked learning, and actually that's what's made academia really attractive to me. So when I started my PhD, my head of school at the time made me go to a meeting in Brussels at the European Commission, and I had to basically stand up as a very young researcher to be independent very quickly. And it made me realize I can do this.
For my group currently, just taking a look at the PhD and postdoc students, we have 75% of female researchers, so this is really good. And I'm a little bit proud of it. I never hired people with this quota in mind. It was always just hiring the best person for the job. But I think as soon as you have an environment in which are a lot of female researchers, you automatically become attractive and interesting for more female researchers.
One of the things that really attracts young women especially is to have that role model that it is possible to be a mum and a successful scientist, and just having that culture so that you're not the only woman when you enter the team.
Currently, we have not reached 50% of professors at KIT were female, so there could be more. And the question is, what can we do to get more? I think it's important to have role models, and particularly if you once reach a level in which female researchers are present, I think the environment is attracting more female researchers, and I think this is very, very important.
Throughout my career, I got together with other academic friends. We basically shared that childcare when I was going on business trips and vice versa. But also the university has really helped recognize that, especially over the years. Recognizing, for example, when you take a family break, your promotion application includes that, and they take that into account. For me, the best thing about being in academia is that I feel pretty much my own boss. So I'm doing what I love, and every day I'm trying to find out something new. The best thing about it is working with young people keeps me relatively young, and enjoy understanding and working with different disciplines, sort of computer science, engineering, mathematics, psychology, to try and answer a question and solve a problem. So if you like any of those things, then academia is for you.